Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all safe. In our previous video, we explained this chapter. Today we will going to write down the translation of this chapter. So open your notebook and put down the heading. Chapter number 6, Ramaniya Nagari. That means a beautiful town. A beautiful town. Now write down the translation in paragraph wise. Okay. गांधीनगरम गुर्जर राज्य से लेके पक्षी उद्यानम तक. ठीक है, ये हमारा पहला पैराग्राफ होगा. गांधीनगर, गांधीनगर GANDHINAGAR, गांधीनगर is the capital of Gujarat. Is the capital of Gujarat. Full stop. It is a beautiful and well planned city. Full stop. There are many places worth seeing here. Comma, for example, the Sachivalay, SACHIVALAYA, Sachivalay, comma, the Mahatma temple, comma, the Akshardham temple, AKSHARDHAM, Akshardham temple, and the Indroda bird sanctuary. INDRODA, Indroda bird sanctuary, SANCTUARY. Full stop. Now next paragraph. इदम सचिवालय भवनम से लेके कार्यालयः अस्ति. This is the Sachivalay building. Full stop. Political meetings of Vidhan Sabha, VIDHANSABHA, Vidhan Sabha, are held here. Full stop. The ministers, comma, executive officers and the other officers sit in this building itself and run the working of the state. Full stop. The Sachivalay is the main office of the ruling of Gujarat state. Full stop. Now next paragraph. अस्माकं राष्ट्रपितु से लेके प्रस्तुतानि सन्ति. This temple has been constructed as a memorable to our great father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Full stop. It is known by the name of Mahatma Mandir. Full stop. Mahatma Gandhi had made a lot of efforts for our independence. Full stop. All these deeds have been presented here in the form of pictures. Full stop. Now next paragraph. एतत् अक्षरधाम से लेके आगच्छन्ति. This Akshardham, this Akshardham is a huge and beautiful temple. Akshardham is a huge and beautiful temple. Full stop. The exhibition section of this temple is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Full stop. A movie is also shown in the exhibition section. Full stop. A confluence of religion and science is seen here. Full stop. There is a huge garden that attracts the mind. Full stop. Many tourists come to see the temple every day. Full stop. Now next paragraph. गांधीनगरस्य समीपे एव से लेके अत्र द्रष्टुं शक्नुम. Near Gandhinagar is the Indroda bird sanctuary. Full stop. Birds and animals live in their environment at this place. Full stop. There is a special section of dinosaurs. 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 The ancient huge-bodied animals. Full stop. This section is very attractive and entertaining for children. Full stop. Here there is a snake house also. Full stop. We can see snakes of various families here. Full stop. Now next paragraph. महात्मा गांधी मंदिरतः से लेके प्रवृत्ता अस्ति. There is a huge building named Vidya Bhavan. VIDYABHAVAN. Vidya Bhavan. Not very far away from Gandhi Temple. Full stop. This same building is also famous as GCERT. आपको सब ये लेटर्स हैं कैपिटल्स में लिखने हैं, ठीक है. GCERT. Full stop. The office of the GCERT committee is in Vidya Bhavan. Full stop. The committee is continually working for change in our primary education. This committee is continually working for change in our primary education. Full stop. Now last paragraph. गांधीनगरे विशाल से लेके अपि प्रसिद्धम. There are huge and clean roads in Gandhinagar. Full stop. There are many beautiful gardens in this city. Full stop. There are many trees in the city. Full stop. Because of this, comma, the city is also famous as the world's greenest city. Full stop. Here we complete the write down of the translation. आपको ग्लोसरी के वर्ड्स भी लिखने हैं और एक्सरसाइज है वो कंप्लीट करनी है. इसी के साथ साथ वर्कबुक भी कंप्लीट करते रहना है. ठीक है. थैंक यू.